In this video, I am going to show you how to change your font in Roblox mobile. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now without further ado, changing the font in your mobile can change the way in-game text looks like. Just discover this while changing my font settings. Go to settings, click on screen and font, or search font option in phone. Then choose the font. Just don't change fonts while game is on. Turn it off, change it, and then see the magic. It works for some texts, as you can see, and others do not. And there are some. This, it seems, an Android function luxury of sorts. I am not an iPhone user, but font change should be possible there.